Today I am about to expose the truth behind the death of Ayad Baloch, and so far after this casualty of Ayad Baloch, did government authorities have taken any strict action against this miserable death? On the other hand, what our newspaper is printing about this incident? Ayad Baloch was a student of Karachi University, shot dead by FC soldiers in Turbat city on 13 August 2020 in front of his parents on the road. One of Ayad Baloch's friends, Zafar Musani, has said that Ayad was a brilliant and innocent student. Furthermore, he said it was not an accidental, rather it was a deliberate murder. Ayad Baloch has come to Karachi University for obtaining physiology with lots of dreams and ambitions. Actually, he was preparing himself for the CSS exam. Ayad Baloch was shot 8 bullets by FC soldiers and Ayad Baloch was dead on the spot. His hands and feet were tied. Just imagine for a while what a painful scene it would be for the parents to see their son dying and tormented in front of them. I even can't explain in words. So far, the government authorities have not even taken any action about the death of Ayad Baloch. They believe that these type of casualties happen on the daily basis. So these disaster and issues does not matter for them because they have never highlighted such incidents which were really nasty. Now what contribution has performed by the newspaper on these uncomfortable loss? Actually, the newspaper publisher had printed that due to the bomb blast and firing, Muhammad Ayad had got death on the location and 5 people have been injured. The newspaper where we read our national updates in daily routine, did we are acknowledging untruth news in daily newspaper? Question mark. Honestly, this is disgusting and awkward. Accused arrested in a case against FC official involved in the death of Muhammad Ayad, said by Liaquat Shawani. Now these statements will procreate lots of controversies and questions. Where is the confirmation of FIR copy? Did the authorities have arrested them for a while to slow down this incident? Why? I argue you all to come to join me and be the voice of oppressed people and stop the path of oppression. I will stand equally for the justice of Muhammad Ayad Baloch. Now this is apparently clarified that only the mother can feel the pain of another mother. Watch this short clip. Stand up and raise your voice for the justice of Muhammad Ayad Baloch. Thank you for joining Expose with Waqas.